Hi guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G55 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. So at first open the settings, then find and select security and privacy. Now go to device unlock and choose fingerprint. At first you need to set some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. Let me choose pattern, draw an unlock pattern, tap on next, re-enter it and mark confirm. Now manage notification content, and now it's time to set up your fingerprint. As you can see, the fingerprint sensor is located over here on your power button, so just grab your phone as you usually do it and keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Tap on done, and from now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.